All right, that was 1 cup of my creamy peanut butter. Now I'm coming in with my graham cracker crumbs, and I'm gonna measure out 2 cups of my graham cracker crumbs. It's okay if we get a little bit of extra in there. We'll make sure to even it out. So that's 2 cups of graham crackers with our 1 cup of peanut butter. Now I'm gonna bring in my powdered sugar, and we're gonna add 2 cups of powdered sugar right in there with our graham crackers and our peanut butter. I am just measuring the best I can while being able to pour. Beautiful. Before we give this a mix, I'm adding 1 cup of melted butter right in there with our peanut butter, our graham crackers, and our powdered sugar. Now I'm gonna start whisking this together, making sure that peanut butter comes out of the whisk and we get it all well combined. All right, your mixture should look like this. We are done with our whisk, so we can put that to the side. And now we can bring in our 9x13 dish, and we're gonna put this mixture right on there and get it evenly spread out. Oh, that delicious graham cracker peanut butter smell is incredible. So let's go ahead and get all of that out. All right, so off camera, I actually ended up doubling our peanut butter mixture because I felt like it was a little thin for our 9x13. So just follow that recipe we just did, but times 2 for this nice, thick, and delicious peanut butter layer that we are evening out to make sure that we got this nice and flat and coating our pan. It smells so good. We are gonna put this to the side just oh so quickly, and I'm gonna bring in my measuring cup and my semi-sweet morsels, and we're gonna measure out 1.5 cups of our chocolate chips. You know what? I'm actually just gonna use this whole thing because that's just a little bit over 1.5 cup. And then we're gonna add some more peanut butter into our chocolate chips. We're gonna add about 1/4 a cup. And I'm just eyeballing it because that's how I like to do it. And that looks like plenty. And this is gonna go in the microwave for 30-second increments until it's completely melted. All right, this is all nice and melted. So we can bring back our 9x13 with that delicious peanut butter mixture, and it is time to get our chocolate right on top. Oh my goodness. What is better than peanut butter and chocolate? It's almost like a Reese's Pieces or whatever Reese's cup. And this is gonna be so good. We just wanna make sure that we get our peanut butter layered, covered in this chocolate coating. Oh yeah. All right, once we have that empty, we can kind of just spread this right on top, super gentle so that we don't get any marbling. We just want it to be coating our delicious peanut butter, graham cracker, sugar, deliciousness, whatever we want to call that beautiful layer that we have there. All right, now this is gonna go in the fridge for at least 1 hour. It's been 1 hour in the fridge. Our delicious peanut butter treat is ready to cut into. Oh my, I'm so excited. Oh, it cuts beautifully. Oh, we got a little extra. You can just plop that to the side. Oh my goodness, that looks absolutely incredible. Whew. And then this is just something you can just pick up and dig into. That is so good. You have to give it a try.